In this video, I have listed 8 ridiculously cool tech gifts and gadgets that are worth to see. All of these products are perfect for gifting your loved ones. Number 1. Everyfun M3 Pro Percussion Massage Gun for Athletes Deep Tissue. Double recovery for sore muscles. The percussion massage gun with a high-torque, powerful brushless motor that reaches up to 3,200 RPM per minute and a 12mm deeper amplitude provides you with a deeper tissue massage. 10 hours long battery life. 6 by 2,500 milliamp hours rechargeable power battery of this massage gun deep tissue can up to 10 hours, which can ensure the strength and depth of the massage. AI Smart Sensor Mode. M3 Pro Deep Tissue Muscle Massage Gun comes with the AI Smart Sensor Mode with increased massage humanization, and it can customize massage intensity to your requirement. Uniquely designed for joints. The unique patented air cushion soft head on the market. Unlike other back massage gun, the 8-layer design is perfect for joints. Number 2. MOFT Invisible Thin Sit-Stand Desk. Magazine sized. Its dimensions are 9.4 by 11 by 0.15 inches, so it can be easily stored in a bookshelf without being noticed or a bag before heading out. A standing workstation. The desk offers a natural height of 10 inches to raise your laptop, allowing you to work with your palm rested onto the laptop and the screen at eye level. Versatile modes. There are 4 modes and sitting modes, including 25 degrees, 35 degrees, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees for every kind of needs when you sit at your desk, be it comfortable typing, working with peripherals, or browsing. Rocky Steady. Its unique C structure and triangle bottom support ensures its stability in heavy-duty use. It can hold up to 18 pounds. Premium materials. It's constructed with customized PU and stiff fiberglass, making it tough enough for your daily usage and comfortable to touch. Number 3. The Arculus Key Card, the more secure crypto and NFT cold storage hardware wallet. Keep your crypto and NFT safe from hackers and enjoy the convenience of a hot wallet with the security of cold storage. Arculus is the future of cryptocurrency and NFT security. Your private keys are never online. They are generated on the key card and they don't leave it. Your keys aren't stored on your phone or an exchange. Vault security. Protected by 3-factor authentication and Arculus best-in-class CCEAL6 plus secure element hardware classification. No cords or Bluetooth. Simply tap the Arculus Key Card to your mobile device to manage and view your crypto and NFT safely and securely using an NFC connection. No charging, no battery needed. Arculus is fully integrated with Wallet Connect, letting you access blockchain apps safely and securely with a cold storage hardware wallet without having to layer on a browser extension, like MetaMask. Number 4. 70mm 4K Dashcam A800S with Sony IMX415. Excellent 4K Ultra HD dual camera. With this advantage, it can achieve dual vision recording, which allows you to capture both the road ahead of you and behind, adding another pair of eyes on the road so you can drive without fear. Powerful night vision with 3D DNR, dynamic noise reduction, technology and full 7 glass/f1.8 aperture lens. The camera minimizes image noise. 24-hour parking surveillance. The G sensor automatically detects sudden shakes or collisions and starts recording, providing critical evidence for every important moment for 24H. ADAS system feature dash cam. The Advanced Driving Assistance System, ADAS, detects your surroundings and has real-time voice alerts to warn you of safety problems. Built-in GPS and route tracking equipped with built-in GPS, 70mm 4K A800S monitors and displays real-time trip data including time, speed, and coordinates. In-app control and footage sharing. Sharing is not a problem anymore. In case of an accident, you can simply share the footage with your insurance provider for a more efficient claims process. Seamless loop recording. The 4K Dashcam A800S overwrites the oldest videos with new content when the SD card is full, so the Dashcam can achieve continuous recording. Number 5. Smart Door Lock from Bosma Aegis. Auto Unlock and Auto Lock, Android and iPhones. Leave the hassle behind and no more fumbling for your keys. Let Aegis Auto Lock as you leave and Auto Unlock when you return home. Break-in detection and siren alert. Detects attempted break-ins while triggering an automatic siren and notifying you immediately. Remote and app-less guest access. Unlock or lock your door from anywhere, anytime. Share lock access with family members and guests so they can come and go as they please even when you're away. App-less guest key allows your guests unlock via the generated link and access code through the internet. Advanced encryption. With Aegis's bank-grade AES-128 advanced encryption, there's no need to worry about unauthorized access to your home. Quick installation. Turn your existing deadbolt into a smart lock in just 10 minutes with the Aegis Smart Door Lock. You'll only need a screwdriver. You can even still use your original physical keys. Bosma app is available on Google Play and App Store. Number 6. Earwax Remover Endoscope Cleaner Kit with camera from Bebird Note 3 Pro. 3.7mm safety lens diameter Smart Vision Earwax Removal Kit. Unlike traditional blind ear cleaners, Bebird N3 Pro Ear Cleaner with camera can display stable and clear earwax images inside the ears in real time. You can easily find and remove earwax without hurting your ears. The 3.7mm lens diameter is also very suitable for the ears, and it will not be too wide to harm the ears. Dual mode ear wax removal, tweezers mode, high precision and reliable micromechanical arm. Tweezers head covered with rubber, open and closed degree protection system to deal with complex foreign bodies in the ear canal. Ear picker mode, spade ear cleaning, food silicone ear scoop. For colors, easy to distinguish between you and your family use, ear wax removal tool. For oil ear, dry ear. 1080 HD camera, 6 LED lights, and 6 Aegis smart gyroscopes. Bebird N3 Pro Earwax has updated the 10.0 megapixel camera technology and 6 LED lights, allowing you to display more stable and clearer 1080 HD images on your phone. The earpiece can be rotated to clean the ear with a 360-degree viewing angle, and it supports left and right ear modes. Safe and soft ear tip IP67 waterproof upgrade. Bebird N3 Pro Ear Cleaner ear tip is designed with silicone material. The device is close to the body temperature when it is turned on. It is difficult to hurt your ears and better protect your ear health. IP67 waterproof technology means you can easily clean the spoon after use. Number 7. Razer Kishi Mobile Game Controller. Universal mobile gaming controller, designed to bring console-level control to your phone for gaming anywhere. Cloud and mobile gaming, compatible with leading cloud gaming services including Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, Stadia, Amazon Luna, GeForce Now, and Steam Link, and hundreds of popular mobile games including Fortnite, Minecraft, Roblox, Brawlhalla, Asphalt 9, Legends, Black Desert Mobile, emulators, and many more. Refine your aim and execution. Clickable analog thumbsticks provide greater accuracy and tactile feedback, and the performance buttons and D-pad deliver precision input. Latency-free gameplay. Unlike Bluetooth controllers which produce lag, the controller has zero latency by directly connecting to the device's charging port. USB Type-C charging port for pass-through charging of your phone or tablet while using the controller. Ergonomic, flexible design for a comfortable handheld grip. Designed for long gaming sessions, the controller feels great to hold and can be stretched and clamped on most Android phones, providing a secure hold that won't come loose during gaming. Number 8. OLLY Light Therapy Lamp. Stable sleep cycle. OLLY Day for daytime use controls melatonin and helps activate melatonin during the night, making you fall asleep quickly, which is effective for normalizing your sleep rhythm. Human-centric lighting. Light therapy lamp using high-quality Samsung HCL human-centric lighting to provide optimized light for biorhythm. Enhancing quality of life. Whatever lifestyle you have, like shift work, sunlight deprivation, OLLY offers an excellent alternative that can enhance your quality of life. 2-step brightness and 25 minutes auto timer. Magnet switch with 2 brightness levels. You can set it to the best level according to the environment, and lamp will automatically shut off in 25 minutes. Handy and portable. 140G compact size and a built-in rechargeable battery make you carry it anywhere.
If you like to buy any of these products, please check out the links of the purchasing in description below.